many brothers and sisters having relationship before marriage and parents are also not aware of the situation, even if they come to know, they say they are excused by saying we are just friends. So how fair is it justifiable in Islam?
Islam do not allow any free mixing. We all know about that. The teaching of Islam is not only today, the do and don't is from 1,400 years ago. But because we are living in a different kind of environment that is not helping our iman, the free mixing and all the other kind of relationship. Now the best thing for us to do, brothers and sisters, please put Islam ahead of the tradition. Don't make it difficult for the couple to get married. When you know that your daughter is starting to have feelings, when you know your son is starting to have that feeling, marry them for the sake of Allah. If you have some job, offer the job to them, to your future son-in-law or your daughter-in-law. Save their iman. You know that until today, most of the people who love Allah, they always encourage their children to get married when they are young, because they know when you are young, all this feeling is starting to grow, is starting to develop. So the best way is to marry them. If you don't do that because of tradition, because of this, then there are a lot of fitna coming to the family. If you can protect them without that kind of relationship, alhamdulillah. If you can't, you got to be serious about their iman. About their iman. Save their iman. Get them married as husband and wife. Jazakallahu khair.